If you are looking for the best keychain flashlight, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. BYB Super Bright 9 LED Mini Aluminum Flashlight. The BYB Mini Keychain Flashlights is very powerful, and each flashlight produces a strong beam from the 9 lumens LED bulb, and its shiny aluminum casing is very durable, and you have a choice of 4 different colors: black, silver, red and blue. The best thing about these mini lighting dynamos is that they are extremely affordable. Super powerful, super strong and super attractive. What a great package deal. The mini flashlights are very easy to use, with a simple on-off push button, and they require 3x standard AAA batteries. Number 2. Finware 5-pack Mini LED Keychain Flashlight. The 5-pack of mini LED black keychain flashlights from Finware is such a great idea. Wherever you go, you can have a portable source of light with just the press of a button, and the mini flashlight is so light at just 0.2 ounces and measuring at 1.5 inches in length. The Finware keychain flashlight projects a very bright white light from the 10 lumens LED bulb that can be seen up to 1 mile away, and it requires 2 CR2016 lithium-ion batteries that can give you up to 12 hours of battery life. Number 3. Hatori. Number 3. Hatori Super Small Mini LED Flashlight. The Hatori Super Small Mini LED Flashlight is a small and simple LED keychain flashlight powered by a single AAA battery. Even with this small a power source, it is capable of producing a respectable 150 lumens, which is more than enough light for most situations. Its durable anodized aluminum shell is robust and survivable, making this model of keychain flashlight a great source of light in emergencies such as earthquakes and other natural disasters. As an added bonus, it is water resistant. Number 4. ThruNite Max 120 Lumens Mini LED Flashlight Torch. The ThruNite T3 EDC LED flashlight might not offer any features that stand out from the crowd, but its small and affordable body makes it a choice worth considering. Offering up to 120 hours of battery life on the lowest 0.08 lumen setting, it is a great backup that should be more than enough for emergencies where you just need a little light at short notice. This is a tough and lightweight model of keychain flashlight, thanks to its anodized aluminum shell, and is an excellent addition to any keychain, no matter how small. Number 5. Number 5. Jowbeam Mini Keychain Mini LED Flashlight. Another great product to make it to the list is this mini LED torch from Jowbeam. Crafted with a durable body and a stainless steel hook for easy storage and hanging, it features an easy-to-use squeeze-on-off button. Taking its size into consideration, this mini flashlight produces ultra-bright light and can run up to 100,000 hours without dimming. Ideal for camping, hiking, dog walking, and other outdoor use, it can also be hooked onto your pet's collar. Only weighs 6 grams and about the size of a quarter. You will never notice the bulk of other flashlights.
click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.